Hi, I'm Ron London and welcome to my first video report for the year and my first under my new brand, London Estate Agents, situated in the heart of Mermaid Beach at 34 Sea Beach Avenue. Now let's talk about what's been happening in the market. Well, the last 2 months has been fantastic. We've had a surge of buyer inquiry and the most open home attendances that I can remember for the last couple of years. It pretty much picked up where we left off the last quarter of 2013. In recent sales activity, Harry sold number 1 Heron Avenue for $12 million. That was a great result for the market. Joanna just sold number 19 Ocean Street in another off-market transaction. Again, proving that there's buyers out there willing to step up even before these properties are on the market. In recent sales, I just sold 32 Nagle Avenue, a great price for the market, just under $1.8 million and the highest price for a non-Hedges Avenue house sold in the last 3 years. In another strong sign for the market, I just sold 45 Petrel Avenue. It was only on the market 7 days. Huge buyer inquiry at the moment in the $800 to $1 million price bracket. Let's talk about what's not happening. Well, there's been a reluctance for people to list their homes. In January, February in 2013, in the $8 to $1.3 million price bracket, there was 21 homes available. At the same time this year, we currently have 9. In the $1.3 to $2 million bracket, there was 9 homes available in the same time last year. Currently, there's only 3 homes in that price bracket available. There's a lot of frustrated buyers out there, and with Easter coming and the great weather that we're having, I urge you to pick up the phone and give me a call if you're interested in listing to take advantage of the current market conditions. So that's my market wrap for the last couple of months. If you're looking for something to do on the weekend, get down to the Gold Coast Arts Centre. The Gold Coast Fibro Home Exhibition celebrates a humble Fibro cottage from the 1950s. Heaps of local artists presented. It's worth a look. Hope to see you down there. London Estate Agents, welcome the new.